Hi, ma'am.
Hi Shaila, please sit down.
You seem very busy today, ma'am. You have a lot of interviews going on.
Yeah, I had.
If you are free right now, can I ask you a few questions?
Yes, please go ahead.
Ma'am, na intellect course join பண்ணி ஒரு வருஷம் ஆயிடுச்சு ma'am.
Okay.
But ரொம்ப நாளா few questions are bothering me. May I ask you now?
At least இப்பயாவது கேட்கணும்னு தோணுச்சுல. Please go ahead.
Okay, ma'am. Our classroom is designed more like an IT park than a traditional classroom. Why is it designed that way?
Okay. So traditional classrooms அப்படிங்கும்போது அது எப்படி இருக்கும், like a one way communication wherein a faculty comes, they teach a particular concept, they have whiteboard kind of communications happening, students observe classes at the traditional classroom. So with respect to our classroom, நம்மளோட infrastructure அந்த மாதிரி build பண்ண கிடையாது. So we have actually intentionally built our classrooms to look like corporate setups. எதுக்காக அப்படின்னா right after 4 years of your completion, you'll obviously be working in some IT firms இல்லைங்களா. So when you step into an IT firm, you should feel confident, you should feel comfortable. And the environment ku neenga already or 4 years from day one in our college neenga used to IT na, obviously you will gain that comfort and confidence illaya. So that was the reason why our classrooms were planned to be like an IT parks.
That is a very cool reason, ma'am.